Do you want the deals, like Holyfield? Do you want them? Okay, because, honey, I'm going to give them to you if you want them. Put a 5 in the chat if you want the deals, trills for real, okay? You can't tell me Dollar Tree ain't out here showing out. Did you see this? Did you? Because I don't think you have. This is $1.25, but look at that rose gold. Okay, this is fancy, or the McFancy, a stainless steel cuticle nipper. Now, normally I like the one that's like a little basic. Not really this one, but this one I do. But I like the basic one. But these are $1.25, honey. This is a steal. Before we get into this fire, and I do mean fire, video, honey, you gonna like this. Because I know you a fancy one. But shout out to Nyla. Okay, so I met Nyla today at the Dollar Tree, and I meant to shout her out on the previous 2 Dollar Tree haul videos that I uploaded. But Nyla want to start a channel, and I hope I'm saying your name correct. And she's so gorgeous, all right? A little girl, really, really gorgeous. Honey, start your YouTube channel. I believe in you, and I know you have what it takes. With that being said, family, let's move to the next segment of the video. You ever been to Dollar Tree and the items is so good that you have to sing? Honey, that's how it is right now. You know, I just got to sing. Time after time. All right. Maybe we're supposed to been coming here. Look at this. Softy. Now, I don't have a wig. But, honey, just in case if you do. Refreshing wig dry shampoo. Coconut hibiscus from Softee. Prep plus protect. Ooh, chill. Nothing with the rhymes, honey. This is $1.25. Get into it, girls. Oh, my loves. Listen, this is so good. You guys, you know, I just stepped in here. You know, I'm in a place to be. You get what I'm saying? Dina, the fabulous MC. You gonna like that. Look, as soon as I walked in, you see these mugs, these pumpkin mugs? $1.50. Chill. Honey, they got some. If it's starting off like this, you might as well say, this is gonna be a fire Dollar Tree haul. Check this out. All right, my loves. First off, we gonna come over here. Now, it's so funny. I haven't seen these items in the other Dollar Trees. They have these little gift boxes over here. Halloween theme. Gorgeous. $1.50. Love this. Look at this. Really, really cool. Oh, honey, I'm putting it in the wrong thing. They have the gorgeous mugs. Not only do they come in orange, they also have the white one. Honey, I'm so excited. You know, I can't even swallow. Now, they also have these cups over here, these tumblers. These are definitely gorgeous. Look at the green. It's my dream. The green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have this one as well. I love this. This is so freaking cute. 2-pack bowls and lids. Halloween theme. $1.50. Table covers they have. Honey, you can't tell them. They ain't honey, they delivered. In this Dollar Tree, I think I'm in Clifton. Okay, this is the 4th Dollar Tree we done did today. I think this Clifton. Now, they also have these kitchen towels over here. All of these that says thankful. Look at them. Check them out. Also with the glasses that goes along with it. Honey, you can't tell me they ain't fancy. Now, these placemats, they always put me in a mind of Pottery Barn, right? These are $1.50. They also have the oven mitt. They also have the tour glasses over here. Really, really cool. Hello Pumpkin. Nice. Mugs. Honey, they got the whole setup. Glass, mats, oven mittens, pot holders, saucers. Says thankful. Really cute. And look at the mugs. And look at the bowls. Honey, you can't tell me this Dollar Tree ain't delivering. And then also the thankful mats over here, the placemats. Really, really cute. They also have these gold trays over here. We've seen these before. Honey, they deliver. Now, another fun item Dollar Tree has is the salt and pepper shakers. These are $1.50. They also have these trays over here. I absolutely love these trays. These are $1.50 as well. And this is the dupe, okay, from Pottery Barn. I mean, Pottery Barn got the real one, but this is the dupe, okay. Absolutely giving these leaf plates. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Harvest Felt icons. These are $1.50 the pumpkin. And look at this one. This is cute. Really nice. Honey, you try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't coming. Look at these. These look like some shades that you would see in a movie Scarface. Okay. Well, Al Pacino. Okay. Look at these glasses. These, honey, these are nice. I must say they are gorgeous. These UV, 100% UV protection. Now, they only have two colors. They have the red and also the black. For $1.50, honey, this is exactly where it's at. Okay. Check this out. Snaps, cloth-like wipes. 150 wipes you get. Wet and clean. Make your own wet wipes. Ooh, I like this. Save money. Clean better. Extra large size. And I believe these are $1.50. Listen, if you don't have the bucket, no problem. I got the wipes over here. This is a steal. Oh my goodness. Now, Dollar Tree also have these dusters over here. They, they look a little flimsy, right? These are $1.50. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Hedgehog dryer boards. You get two of these for $1.50. Now, these are definitely new. Check these out. New foundation at Dollar Tree. See Me Pride Food Liquid Foundation. Now, it appears that they only have two different foundation colors, okay? And it would be these two. Okay. Dollar Tree is out here moving. All right, so Dollar Tree has the Eco Tools over here. We seen this, the multi-stone body sculpt and roller. This is $1.25. Okay, so they have the tips. All right. Oh, child, $1.25. Oh, I just love these. I ain't getting these though. These are so cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Plump It Up, Plump and Lip Gloss. For some reason, I don't remember seeing these. Maybe because they have like all of these together. Maybe that's why I feel like I don't remember seeing this. Hydrate and Primer Serum infused with rose oil, $1.25. We've seen these. And then, of course, the tinted lip oils, $1.25. All right, another item that I seen that Dollar Tree done brought back is the Powerful Steam Freshness. Cleans in 2 minutes. Honey, I don't have a microwave, but look, effective and so easy to clean. If you have a microwave, you may want to get one of these. These are $1.50. Do you want the deals like Holyfield? Do you want them? Okay, because honey, I'm going to give them to you if you want them. Put a 5 in the chat if you want this deals trills for real, okay? These are so cute. Look at these water bottles. I absolutely love these. Now, these are $1.50. These are so gorgeous, especially if you have a little girl going back to school. Oh my goodness, so nice. Now, of course, they have these as well. These are $1.50, BPA free. Really, really cool. But honey, I definitely like this. This is a signature. This is like I'm making a statement now. What? Dollar Tree also have the organic chai tea. Now, 50 calories. If you're a person that watch your calories, they definitely had a yogi. Now, if you know, you know. This is $1.25. They also have the all natural tea, 100 black tea bags with tag and stream. Now, these are $1.25. This is a deal. Now, you know what? I don't know if this is a new item at Dollar Tree. Splenda sweet cream. What are they doing? $1.25. I mean, the deal's a deal trail. But this is, look, French vanilla, sweet cream. Honey. Now, if you watch other people's children or you have grandchildren coming over, Dollar Tree has these lunch trays. These are $1.25. They come in about 4 different colors. These are the colors right here. Honey, we going down every aisle. Yes, every aisle. Wait, hold on. I think this is in the wrong spot. Now, I know definitely this is in the wrong spot. They done put this in the wrong place. This gelato, okay, the caramel cookie crunch. Oh, that sounds so good. $4. And then they also have the vanilla fudge cookies, salted caramel truffle. Yeah, look at the chunks. Oh, my goodness. Honey, let me get away from over here. Now, remember I had told you guys about the dinners. Don't sleep. Don't be one of those, okay? That's like, oh, nobody. Honey, let me tell you something. The hot honey fried chicken with the mac and cheese is good. Now, they may have needed to add some more seasoning with the mac. But for $3, that's a still deal. Now, the meatballs, the penny with meatballs. Oh, my goodness. I don't know who Italian grandma was in the kitchen making this. But that's good. Alright, so Dollar Tree has this little end cap over here. Halloween theme. Fall theme. Really cute. The hand soap, apple scented. Absolutely love these hand soaps. I like the cherry one with the eyeball. I don't know if they have that one here. But they also have the pomegranate, vanilla scented hand soap, $1.50. The skull. Then they also have the coconut lime scented. These pumpkins, I absolutely love these. These are so cute. Okay, Dollar Tree, being fancy with your bougie self. Oh, honey, I almost missed out on these. I didn't even see these. These little trays. I was gonna say candy trays. These are cute. $1.50. They also have the bat one. Hold on, child. Let me see what this has. Oh, glows in the dark. Okay. Door cover, wall decoration, lace table runners, tinsel decor. Look, these are so gorgeous. These trays over here, absolutely gorgeous. These are $1.50. They also have the plates over here as well that goes with it. Oh my goodness, $1.50. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely, honey, they had so many items in here. I'm going to start coming to this Dollar Tree like a lot. They had a lot of goodies. That wig from Softy, the wig dry shampoo, oh my goodness, that was a steal deal. What else they had? Honey, so many items. Those mugs, oh my goodness, those were absolutely stunning. Really cute. With that being said, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep on going. Until next time, peace.